Welcome to the practical session of determining the focal length of convex lens. In this session, we will calculate the focal length of convex lens by plotting a graph of U versus V. The operators required to perform this experiment are object pin, lens stand, light source, screen, meter scale and convex lens. The principle behind this experiment is focal length is the distance between the optical center and principal focus of a convex lens. The distance, the object distance must be greater than the focal length of a convex lens. The formula required to calculate the focal length of a convex lens is focal length of a convex lens is equals to F equals to OA plus OP divided by 4, where OA is image distance and OP is object distance. Dear students, let us go through the diagram. The diagram consists of convex lens. Convex lens is also called a converging lens. It produces real and inverted image. Here, convex lens, we have the convex lens. The point O is called optical center of a convex lens. And C is the center of curvature and F is the focus of a convex lens. The ray of light which parallel to the principal axis after refraction from the lens passes through the principal focus, and the ray of light which passes through the optical center goes undeviated. Here we have an extended object AB, a ray of light from here which is parallel to the principal axis. After refraction from the lens, it is moving through the focus, and another ray of light from the same point passing through the optical center goes undeviated. And these refracted rays, where they intersect, we will get an image of an extended object. To get an image, draw a line from principal axis to this intersection point. We will get an image of the object. So next, we will have a graph of image distance versus object distance. Here U is the object distance and V is the image distance. Students, the operators required to do this experiment are light source, object pin, convex lens, lens stand, image screen and meter scale. Here the lens is placed between object and screen. So this distance between the object and the lens is object distance, and the lens and image screen is image distance. This is image distance and this is the object distance. In the first trial, let us take the object distance as 20 cm because the rough focal length of the convex lens is 15 cm. It is calculated through a distant object method. So that in the first trial we have taken the object distance between 15 and 30. That means 20 centimeter. In the first trial, the lens is placed at a distance of 20 centimeter from the object. To get the sharp image on the screen, let us adjust the image screen back and forth. So this is the object distance. The object distance is 20 centimeter. Let us keep the object distance as 20 centimeter. This is U. So we got a sharp image of the object on the image screen. So now let us note down the object distance and image distance. So 20 centimeter is the object distance and 54 centimeter is the image distance. 54 centimeter is the image distance. In the next trial, let us move the lens 2 centimeter away from the object. So now the object distance U is 22 centimeter. To get the sharp image of an object, let us adjust the screen once again. So now I got the clear image of an object on the screen. So now note down the object distance and image distance. Object distance is 22 centimeter and image distance is 48 centimeter. In the third trial, let us move the lens 2 centimeters away from the object, that is 24 centimeter. For 24 centimeter, to get the image on the screen, again let us adjust the screen. So now we got a clear image of the object. So now the object distance is 24 centimeter and image distance is 38 centimeter. In the next trial, again move the lens 2 centimeters away from the object. 26 centimeter is the object distance and adjust the screen to get the sharp image of an object. So this is the sharp image of an object is obtained on the screen. So object distance is 26 and image distance is 34. Next trial, again let us move the lens 2 centimeters away from the object, that means 28 centimeter. 28 centimeter. To get the image of an object, again adjust the screen. So we will get a sharp image of an object. So this is the sharp image of an object. So now the image distance is 33 centimeters. So all the readings we have obtained from the experiments are tabulated in the tabular column and calculate the focal length of a convex lens by plotting V versus U. Okay, dear students, let us plot the readings on the graph. In the first layer, the object distance is 20 cm and image distance is 54. For 20 cm, the image distance is 54. In the second layer, the object distance is 22 and the image distance is 48. In the third layer, object distance is 24 and image distance is 38. Image distance is 38. In the fourth layer, the object distance is 26 and image distance is 34. The object distance is 26 and image distance will be 34. Last layer, the object distance is 28 and image distance is 33. So this is the graph we obtained from the sixth method. So these are the points we have got on the graph. So let us join all these points. So we will get an hyperbola straight. Now let us draw a line from the origin at an angle of 45 degree with x and y axis. So now draw the perpendiculars from this point. So this point will be taken as z. Now draw the perpendiculars from this point to the x and y axis. So this point will be mentioned as A and this point will be mentioned as B. Now the focal length of a convex lens is given by the formula F is equals to OA plus OB divided by 4. So F is equals to OA is is 35 centimeter. This OB is 24. Divided by 4. So focal length F is equals to is 9 plus 5 divided by 4. This is equals to 14.75 centimeter. So this is the required value of focal length of the convex lens. So what we have got, the focal length of a convex lens 14.75 centimeter is entered in the result column. So that is 14.75 into 10 to the power minus 2 meter. It is converted from centimeter to meter by multiplying 10 to the power minus 2 meter. Applications. What are the applications of this convex lens? It has wide range of applications. It will be used in compound microscope, telescopes, in high lens, etc.